A couple of days back, Xiaomi launched their flagship Mi 10 series in the global market. Along with that, they also introduced a new mid-ranger, the Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite. So what makes the Mi 10 Lite so special? Now this happens to be the first 5G enabled mid-ranger that's available outside of China. So in today's video, let's take a quick look at this new entrant from Xiaomi and see what is it that they have to offer. Hey guys, Ash here from C4eTech, and if you do end up liking what you see in this video, please subscribe and turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon. Let's now get this video started. The Mi 10 Lite veers away from the traditional vertical camera design that Xiaomi has long been using. Instead, we now have a rectangular camera cutout similar to what we've been seeing with the Samsung Galaxy S20 series. And inside that, we have 4 cameras. The primary is a 48 megapixel sensor, and there is not much information about the rest of the 3 cameras. But going by the setup on the Mi 10, I'm guessing that we're gonna have an ultra-wide, a dedicated macro camera, as well as a depth sensor. As for the rest of the build, from the images it looks like we have a gradient pattern on the back. We don't have confirmation on the build yet, but again, going by the Mi 9 Lite, how it's ported the same premium glass build as the other flagships, as the other Mi 9 series, I'm gonna go out on a limb and state that we're gonna have the same Corning Gorilla Glass 5 to the front as well as the back. And talking about the front, here we have a 6.57-inch display. So yes, Xiaomi have kind of moved away from their favorite 6.67. And here this comes with a tiny dewdrop notch up top. And this is holding a 16 megapixel selfie camera. The display is an AMOLED panel, the resolution Full HD+, and since it's AMOLED, we can expect deep blacks, punchy colors, you know how it is. Powering all those pixels, we have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G. This is a 7nm octa-core chip that comes with a single Cryo 475 prime core that's clocked higher at 2.4 GHz. Then we have one lower clock Cryo 475 gold core, and the rest are Cryo 475 silver cores that clock in at 1.6 GHz. We've seen this processor in a couple of phones before, including sub-brand Redmi's very own K35G. As seen on that phone, when combined with MIUI 11, the user experience here, I expect it to be good. Even when it comes to gaming, the Adreno 620 GPU in here, it was powerful enough on the K35G to handle everything that we threw at it, so I don't expect that to change with the Mi 10 Lite. While Xiaomi have confirmed 64 and 128GB storage options, we don't have much information on the RAM variants, but expect 4 and 6GB RAM options. MicroSD should be available too. The Mi 10 Lite comes with a fairly sizable 4160 mAh battery that, combined with the 7nm SoC and MIUI 11, should make for pretty decent battery life. We also have support for 20-watt fast charging here, and despite stuffing in a 4000 plus mAh unit, Xiaomi has managed to keep the weight under 200 grams. So kudos to them. So well, that's about everything we know about the Mi 10 Lite right now. The reason why I am pretty excited about this, or why I think this is something worth noting, is of all the 5G devices that we've seen till now, most of them have been flagships. Yes, there have been the occasional mid-rangers like the Realme X50 5G and Redmi's K35G, but these phones till now, they've been China only. Xiaomi though, they've changed all that with their new announcement. The Mi 10 Lite is a 5G capable mid-ranger aimed at the European markets, and it costs 349 euros or about 30,000 rupees. For comparison, the other 5G enabled San 65G phone that's available in Europe, that's the Nokia 8.3 that costs about 600 euros or 50,000 rupees. So in contrast, the Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite sounds like a good deal. Now, till now, every budget phone that Xiaomi has introduced globally, that's also come to India in some form or the other. So I guess by that logic, we should expect the Mi 10 Lite to come to Indian shores pretty soon, at least after the lockdown and everything, once things settle. And generally, the Indian pricing is much lower than European pricing. Now, that said, 5G services, they still have a long way to go in India before we can call them anywhere near usable. So maybe we might not really end up seeing the Mi 10 Lite here. It's all speculation at this point. So I want to know what you guys think. Would you be willing to pay extra for 5G? Would you rather buy a 765G plus 5G phone at say 25,000 rupees, or a proper flagship with 4G, something like the Realme X2 Pro? Which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments below. So I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I found this development quite interesting, so I thought I'd shoot a video and share it with you guys. That's it. We're now at the end of the video, and it is time for me to bid you adieu. Thumbs up, thumbs down based on whatever you felt about it. Subscribe, turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon if you haven't yet. And thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4E Tech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.